Yay!
Hi, I'm Peach. Today let's find out different types of landforms. Physical geography, landforms. First is mountain. Mountain. Next are hills. Hills. Then there are gorge and canyon. Gorge and canyon. Next is cliff. Cliff. Then we have river valley. River valley. Next is island. Island. Moving on, there's the beach. Beach. The next type of landform is desert. Desert. Then there is forest. Forest. Next we have waterfall. Waterfall. And the last type of landform we are going to learn today is the volcano. Volcano. And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining in today. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.